So guys, Nicole and I were really trying to get into the Easter spirit the other day. So we decided to color some Easter eggs. You know, you guys can see already that we are so excited for the holiday. And I think it went well, but you guys can be the judge of that. So we want to share some of our DIY tips for you to decorate your own Easter eggs at home. So check it out. Time for some Easter egg fun. Nicole, I don't know if it's been a long time since I've done this, but I think I remember. If not, we do have a few instructions. So we want to use hard-boiled eggs. Make sure that you do use the hard-boiled.
Yeah, we had to look that up, believe it or not. We're newbies here. Okay.
Don't want to end up using just like raw eggs and making an even bigger mess, which brings me to having your area covered. Make sure that you do that. Kids, you should probably be doing this with mom and dad.
Yes.
So we have our green and blue. We have added ½ cup of water and 3 teaspoons of vinegar right here.
Yep.
And so we have these already prepared. But if you are using the color pink, pro tip, you don't want to add the vinegar, okay?
Yeah.
So we have the hot water right here.
Yes.
Nicole, let's pour that in.
Okay. And it's hot water, so be careful, kids.
Now we want to drop in our solution,
Blue.
our little colors. Make sure that it's all.
Oh my gosh, it's dissolving really fast because it's so hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now we want to dunk the fun part. We want to dunk our eggs into the dye, and you can just prop you want to bend that.
Like a little bendy.
Yes.
Okay.
So that it's in a proper dipping
Why am I
form.
nervous? It's just water.
I know, but it's so fun. Okay, want to get it right here so that it is propped up, and you just go to dipping. I'm gonna dip in blue first.
Good luck, little buddy. You got this. We're going this way.
Give it a pep talk, and then you just drop
green.
it right in there.
So all the way in?
All the way in.
Okay, bye-bye, friend.
Sometimes when I put it in there, I like to just spin it around a little bit.
I like to just give it some love, pretend like it's a bubble bath. There
Because
you
I feel
go.
like and it's gonna be in there for about 5 minutes. Let's dump our other colors.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go, I've already done the blue. Actually, guys, this is a good lesson for everyone out there. I don't think that I added enough water into my blue color, so it's kind of sticking out a little bit. I don't know if you can see.
Same thing's happening to my pink guy. We're just gonna keep rolling it around so it gets fully covered.
Yeah.
Okay, blue's coming in. That means we've got, each of us have 3 in, taking a bath.
Blue, green, and pink, just like the Power Rangers.
Oh my gosh, the best. Go, go, Power Rangers.
What color were you?
Oh, pink for sure.
Absolutely, Kimberly.
Kimberly,
Thank you.
yes. Okay. Here we go.
That's what I'm gonna name my pink egg, Kimberly. Kimberly is going in for a dip. And these will sit for about 5 minutes, like we said. All right, we have waited our 5 minutes, and these eggs are looking pretty rich in color.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take them out using our little dipper.
I like this little dipper.
Yeah, little dipper. And then we're gonna place them onto our little cups that we have sitting right here with the paper towel so that they can dry. Because even though they were dipped, they're still wet, guys.
Yes.
So you wanna make sure it dries. Look at that.
Because
we waited that full.
Yeah. This is cool.
We have, you know, we go extra, so we have some jewels that we can bejewel our
Really pretty.
our eggs. I love these stickers. Oh, shout out to our producer Brianna for making all this happen.
Just the best.
These stickers are like 3D. They're popping out.
I feel like we could use those for like many things.
Oh, absolutely. We're gonna do some kind of decoration with you. Oh,
so fun. You guys, we're getting in the spirit. It's gonna be a great weekend. Oh my gosh, mine is wearing a hat. Look at that. That's kind of all I want to do for that one.
unbelievable.
Okay, so this one I'm not going overboard. I'm just kind of,
Not going overboard.
You know,
I live life overboard. What are you talking about?
All encompassing. It's very cute. Okay.
If you're gonna do it,
Reminds me
Nicole.
of that show Blossom. Remember the big
all the
like
flowers, yeah.
the flower hats. Okay, here we go.
Oh, hello. How are you?
That is beautiful. That really looks good.
That's cute.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not usually very good at DIY things, so this is an accomplishment.
Oh my god.
Expert level. Ooh, little face.
Okay, 1 to go.
Right.
I'm in the spirit. This is beautiful.
Wonderful. And I think I want to keep my pink one because it's so pretty. I just want to leave it there.
Oh, that's very sweet.
I feel like this, you know, on your Easter egg hunts.
Just kidding. Just kidding. No, I love it.
On your Easter egg hunts, you know, sometimes it's just nice and plain and pretty. I feel like this is my type A personality kind of coming over.
Oh,
just leaving
my
it
gosh.
how it is.
Yes.
Okay, so we did a pretty good job.
This is so
Up top.
fun.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thanks for joining us. This was amazing. Hope that you can follow our instructions and, you know, start decorating your own Easter eggs. We will be right back. All right, y'all, we are back in studio. Really quick before we get to break, we just wanted to show off our masterpieces.
Look.
Get a look at that. Ooh, love it.
Still looking
love
good.
That. Yep. I mean, like I said before, I'm not very good at DIY, so when I made this with all like a little sparkle, I was amazed. All right, now we